Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something special because I'm going to show you a super easy two-step daily skincare routine that can help you get brighter, smoother, and naturally glowing skin using simple kitchen ingredients. No expensive skincare, no chemicals, just real natural results. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I share simple natural skincare routines that actually work at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Deep exfoliating scrub. First, we need to remove dead skin, dullness and tan from the face. Take 1 tablespoon coffee powder, 1 tablespoon rice flour, and 1 tablespoon fresh beetroot juice. Mix everything well to form a smooth paste. Now gently massage it on your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Be very gentle. Don't scrub too hard. Coffee helps remove tan and improves blood circulation. Rice flour exfoliates dead skin and brightens skin tone, and beetroot juice gives your skin a natural pink glow. After scrubbing, wash your face with normal water. Your skin will instantly feel fresh, clean, and smooth. Use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Step 2. Glow Boosting Face Mask. Now let's deeply nourish and brighten your skin. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 tablespoon wheat flour. Add 4 tablespoons beetroot juice. And squeeze half a lemon. Mix it well until it becomes a smooth paste. Apply it evenly on your face and neck and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This mask helps clean pores, control excess oil, reduce dark spots, and improve overall skin glow. Once it dries, wash it off with normal water. Use this mask 3 to 4 times a week. With regular use, this simple routine can make your skin look brighter, smoother, and naturally glowing, without any harsh chemicals. Important tip. Use the scrub only 2 to 3 times a week to avoid over-exfoliation. If you have sensitive skin, skip lemon or do a patch test first. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. And comment below if you're going to try this routine. I'd love to hear your results.